Yes, there's a plus sign missing here. Please add the plus sign over there. X is equal to +1 आ जाएगा. Any other question? Can you add this plus sign over there? Can you add the plus sign over there? Here -2 is not there. Any other question you have a doubt in? You have to solve only till 200. Could और कोई doubt है? Have you solved, by the way, guys? Any other doubts? Kinjal, you have to solve only till 200, not above that. Priya, can you tell me the question rather than the number over there? 145. Number compound क्या compound? Shalini, the compound over there, please. Any other question, guys? Yeah, any other doubts in the practice paper, guys? Yeah, the answers given behind are wrong. Some answers are wrong behind. That's what I'm trying to rectify over here. The answer given here might be wrong. Just rectify it. There's a plus sign that is missing. Yes, any other question? NO3 is where my SI. Aina, Yashasvi, any other doubts? Riddhi, Samya, Kunda, Ashtami. Okay, can I go to the blue book now? Can we all come to the blue book, guys? Doubts in the blue book? Pushpa, can you tell me the compound, please? Siddharth, the compound over there. The MCQ book, guys. We have done till 100. Doubts from 100 to 120. Doubts from 100 to 120. Sir, how will the staff recognize you, sir? नाम change कीजिए, iPhone रखे रखा है. It is wrong, Ushma over there. Yeah, it is wrong. It's a mistake over there. चलिए, doubts from 100 to 120. MCQ book, doubts from 100 to 120. Page 7 doubts. Change in oxidation is nothing but the number of moles of electrons. Doubts on page 7. 125th, right next to the next, right next to it later. 125th, right next to it later. One 135th question पे आ जाओ. 135th. Come to the 135th question. Total charge on LHS should be equal to total charge on RHS. Right over there, total charge on LHS should be equal to total charge on RHS. Check each option over there, guys. So if I look at the first thing over there, 2MnO4 minus, 5H2O2 plus 6H plus. समझा आपको कैसे चेक किया? 136 also write the same thing. Total charge on LHS should be equal to total charge on RHS. Anyone who's got 136? Anyone who's got 136 over there? Any other doubts on this page? Page 7, any other doubts? Page 8 पे आ जाइए. 134, listen to me, 134, just find the change in oxidation number. Right next to 134, those who have a doubt. Find the change in oxidation number. Next page पे आ जाइए. 147 पे आ जाइए please. मतलब नॉर्मल बैलेंसिंग के ट्राई कर आ जाएगा. गाइस दोनों केस में देखो नाइट्रोजन तो मैंने -3 क्यों लिया? Can I say it is forming 3 bonds? It is forming 3 bonds and nitrogen is more electronegative. Hence I have taken this as -3. Sir, over here, how many bonds is forming? 1, 2, 3. You do not consider this bond. एक bond, दो bond, तीन bond. Hence again -3. Please copy this and mark this important over there. This is hydrogen cyanide. This is hydrogen isocyanide. HCN is hydrogen. (158) is 158. Change the question over there. 158 में question change करिए. Fe plus H2O gives you FeO कर दीजिए please. Fe plus H2O FeO कर दीजिए please. And the answer should be 2, option A. And the answer should be 2, option A. Any other doubts on this page? Guys, have you solved it? 155 Swaraj over there. 155 Swaraj. Look at the B option right next to it. Only sulfur gets oxidized here. Siddhant, it is not IiNO3, it is HNO3. Yes, guys, come to the 161st question. (161st question? Right over there, very nice question over there. 161st. Mangesh, 159 last lecture में solve किया है. 159 last lecture में solve किया है. Disproportion reaction किया था उसमें किया देखो. Okay, how many nitrogen on the right hand side, guys? Pay attention to this question. A very nice question over there. Can I shift 2 over here, third and the fourth? So can I multiply here by 4? ये clear है? Next, oxidation numbers. NH4NO3, if you remember, you can break into two parts. NH4 1 plus, NO3 1 minus. You can break into two parts, guys. NH4 plus, NO3 minus. ठीक है? You can break it into two parts. तो NH4 plus में कितना हो जाएगा? Can I say -3? और इसमें कितना हो जाएगा +5. Now look over here. What is the change in Fe? Is everything balanced? Is Fe balanced? Is nitrogen balanced? Nitrogen balanced. अब देखिए +5 से +5 चेंज कितना हुआ 0. +5 से वापस +5 चेंज कितना हुआ 0. समझा क्या? अब +5 से -3 +5 से +5 +5 से +5 +5 से -3 +5 से +5. So can I say +5 to -3 चेंज कितना हो जाएगा? So can I say the total change? समझा आपको? So what should I multiply this by? What should I multiply Fe by? Can I say 4? So now listen to me. यहाँ पे जैसे ही 4 आएगा ना नाइट्रोजन का बैलेंसिंग डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. क्या आपको दिख रहा है अब तक नाइट्रोजन बैलेंस्ड है? जैसे ही मैं 4 डाल दूंगा ना ये साइड पे नाइट्रोजन कितने वो बताइए मुझे. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे 4 ऐड कर दिया तो ये साइड पे कितने नाइट्रोजन हो गए? So when I add 4 over here, can I say 4 into 2? 8 nitrogens, 9th nitrogen, 10th nitrogen. There are 10 nitrogens. समझा कैसे? Hence, I should also multiply here by 10. समझा कि नहीं? That gives your answer 10:4:1. I'm genuinely telling you guys, you should honestly solve these sums over there. How many of you have solved this blue book? ये MCQ solve किया है. Please copy this, everyone. Please copy this sum, everyone. There has to be honesty from your side. Others, haven't you solved it? Jia, Tanvi, Swati, आप लोगों ने solve किया? I can't see any messages from your side. Tanay, Naman, Arya. चलिए, page 9. Can you go ahead with your doubts, please? Page 9. Can you go ahead with your doubts? 172 Rudra, 173 we have solved it in the last lecture only. 172 173 हमने किया last lecture में solve. Yeah, 164 right over there next to 164. Substitute the oxidation number of all elements. Substitute the oxidation number in all the options and find where the sum is 0. Substitute the oxidation number (164) I'm talking about Yashvi, right over there. Substitute the oxidation number in each option and find where the sum is 0 because it's a neutral compound. Guys, can you come to question number 174? 174. Do we know that the burning of methane in air by oxidation is combustion, called as combustion? Next, bleaching क्या होता है? Bleaching is nothing but colored matter to colorless matter. Hence, option A, decoloration of colored material. समझा? Which compound do we use to remove stains? Sodium hypochlorite. Delhi option. You need to remember that. You need to, NaOCl is what we use. Guys, respiration involves both oxidation as well as reduction over there. एक एलिमेंट ऑक्सीडाइज भी होता है, एक एलिमेंट रिड्यूस भी होता है. 178. Can I say Fe is getting oxidized? They are asking you the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement पूछ रहे हैं वो लोग. Hence B and C are the incorrect statement. There are two incorrect statements over there. Yes. Any other doubts? Variti, any other doubts you have? Okay. Can we come to a fresh chapter, structure of atom? In the notebook, please give the heading as structure of atom. (162) in the first step multiply by 2 Swati, you will get your answer and then normal redox over there. N2H4 है, 2 से multiply कर देना, देख आ जाएगा. We start with the new chapter, guys. Structure of atom. Guys, one of the most important chapter from the 11th standard point of view. Structure of atom over there. Now, the first thing which I want to start with is what is Z called as? Can I say atomic number? What is A called as? Atomic mass number. Can you start writing this? Z is atomic number. A is atomic mass number. Can I say atomic number is nothing but number of protons? Hence I've written, keep writing what I'm writing over there, please. Hence I've written Z is equal to nothing but P. I can also say Z is equal to electrons in a neutral atom. Ashtami, you have to write it. Ashtami, are you sleeping over there? Hello? Atomic mass number is protons plus neutrons. Nucleons are nothing but the particles inside the nucleus. Nucleons are nothing but the particles inside the nucleus. Hence it is protons plus neutrons. Find A, Z, P, E, N. Can I say A will be 19? This is A over there. What is this? Z. Z will be 9. Can I say this is also equal to protons, which is 9, electrons, which is equal to 9. Then neutrons is nothing but A minus Z. What is nucleons? Nucleons is, can I say, 19. समझा है आपको? देखिए guys, uranium 23592. Can you calculate all the things? Uranium 23592. What is A? Can you help me with the answers also? Yes, can you solve these questions, guys? Do you get this, guys? Just take. Hello, are you getting this as the answers? Let's check your answers also. Done? Guys, is it done? Okay. I write certain names over here. Isotopes, isobars, isotones, isosters, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species. Any of it which you know, go ahead, please. Isotopes. Can I say isotopes? Same number of protons. Hello, guys. Do we know what are isotopes? Same number of protons, different number of neutrons. Very good. Isobars. Isobars. Atoms of different element having the same atomic mass number. Okay? You don't have to write anything. Wait. You don't have to write anything in this. Wait. Isotones. सर कंफ्यूजन है कैसे याद रखूं थर्ड लास्ट लेटर देखो इनका थर्ड लास्ट लेटर आइसोटोप्स में p है मतलब प्रोटॉन सेम आइसोबार्स में a है मतलब एटॉमिक मास नंबर सेम और आइसोटोन्स में n है मतलब न्यूट्रॉन सेम अगेन रिपीट यहाँ पे p है मतलब सेम z मतलब नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स आइसोबार्स a है a सेम है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे n सेम है what are isosters guys isosters are same number of atoms and electrons same number of atoms and electrons atoms भी सेम होने चाहिए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी सेम होने चाहिए समझा आइसोडायाफर्स क्या होता है सॉरी आइसोडायाफर्स क्या होता है difference of neutrons and protons is same difference of neutrons and protons is same isoelectronic species same number of electrons isoelectronic species same number of electrons. समझा क्या लिखा है मैंने? ये सब देखिए एक बार अच्छे से, लिखना कुछ नहीं आपको, खाली एक बार देखना है। मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल से भी सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, पहले आप खाली इतना देखिए, नाम देख लीजिए क्या क्या है सब। Now I give you an example like N2 and CO. चलिए अब देखिए कैसे करते हैं, क्या है ये देखते हैं। N2, CO, N2, CO. Can I say N2 and CO are the isotopes, isobars, isotones? देखिए बोले इतना चेक कीजिए। Are the isotopes, isobars, isotones? नहीं है। Let us start check for isosters. Can I say 2 atoms? Can I say 2 atoms? समझा? How many electrons over here? समझा आपको? There are same number of atoms, same number of electrons. Guys, are you understanding anything? Same number of atoms, same number of electrons over there. K 3919, fluorine 199. Right over here, K. First check, are the isotopes? Check. Are the isotopes? Isotopes check है. They are not isotopes. 19 है या 9 है? Are they isobars? They are not isobars also. Is this clear to you? Are they isotones? Number of neutrons निकालो. समझा? न्यूट्रॉन्स निकाला मैंने. Are they isotones? No. समझाइए. Are they isosters? Same number of electrons है क्या? अरे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो इसमें 19 है, इसमें 9 है. Now calculate n minus p. What are they now? You tell me. Isodiaphers. What are they? Isodiaphers. Clear है आपको? Next example which I take over here. H11, H21, H31. What are these guys? They are not isobars, they are isotopes. Can I say they are isotopes? What are these? What are these guys? Can I say A same है, दोनों का A same है? Can I say these are isobars? Can I say these are isobars? Next, anyone answer over here. What are these? Check one by one. क्या है ये? This is benzene. This is inorganic benzene. E3N3H6 तो inorganic benzene बोलते हैं क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर बेंजीन जैसा ही है लेकिन उसमें कार्बन नहीं है, बोरान और नाइट्रोजन है। गाइस क्या होगा बताइए आप? रुद्र आइसोटोन्स तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा। मुकुंद आइसोडायफर्स कैसे होगा?
Yes, sir.
यस मैम, क्या होगा ये?
Isosters,
How?
because the number of atoms are same.
How many atoms are there?
6 plus 6, 12, and here it is 6 plus 6, 12 again.
Okay. Count the number of electrons. 6 into 6 plus 6 into 1. Can I say 42?
Yeah, sir.
Hello, do you know how to count the number of electrons?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So B3N3H6 now calculate here.
3 into 5 plus 7, 3 into 7 and 1 into 6.
Can I say here also I get 42?
Yeah.
So they are isosters over there. Very true. Next over there, all isosters can be isoelectronic also, obviously. N2O and CO and CO2. N2O and CO2. N2O and CO2. If you have to decide between isosters and isoelectronic species, isosters is a better answer because all isosters are isoelectronic species, but the vice versa is not true. May or may not be true actually. Can I say 3 atoms? 22 electrons each. Hence these are isosters. समझा आपको? Be2 plus Li plus. These are not molecules, hence they are not isosters. They are ions. They are only isoelectronic species. 2 electrons each. बेरिलियम के पास 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया, बचा कितना? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. लिथियम के पास 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया तो बचा कितना? 2. Have you understood this, guys? Now just look in the slides. You're not supposed to copy it right now. खाली एक बार slides देखिए आप. Now the chapter's name is structure of atom over there, guys. ठीक है. Now inside this, if you look at the first thing over there, isotopes. Can you see this diagram over here where zero neutrons, कुछ भी black color का नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक न्यूट्रॉन है जबकि यहाँ पे दो न्यूट्रॉन है. Hence these are called as what? Isotopes. ठीक है. Next over here, isobars. टेबल देखिए आपको क्लियर है कि नहीं. फोर्टी 40. ठीक है. क्लियर है आपको. Look at the differentiation over here. Atoms of different element, atoms of same element. Do you understand this? Example देखो समझ में आएगा. Different number of protons, same number of protons. Atomic mass number is same. Here atomic number is same. See, what decides the chemical properties? Number of electrons decide the chemical properties. If the number of electrons are same, I can say the chemical properties are also same. Can you copy this please in the notebook, everyone? Have you understood also, guys, what are isotopes, isobars? Vedita, have you understood this? Siley, Arya. PCB, tomorrow your super senior batch writes the NEET paper over there. I don't know if you know this. Also, guys, can you underline the A in isobars, P in isotopes? Look at the start over there. देखो मैंने A red से लिखा हुआ है, P red से लिखा हुआ है. Please underline that. Is it done? Is it done? Give the next heading as isotones. Isotones, underline N over there. Can you find the number of neutrons in this, everyone? How many number of neutrons? Can I say there are 8 neutrons? Sanika Desai, 8 neutrons. Next, isosters. Isosters. Isoelectronic species. Sanika Desai, can you pay attention to the lecture? Is it done? How many electrons in this? How many electrons in this? Can I say 2 electrons? All of them have 2 electrons now. Now guys, I want you to make one more isoelectronic series from here. Now, how do you make an isoelectronic series? Listen to me. Can you select any inert gas? Neon को select करते. How many electrons in neon? Can I say 10? 10 electrons in neon. Look at the element just before it. Can I say fluorine? Fluorine has 9 electrons. How many electrons will fluorine minus have? Can I say 10? Understood? Oxygen, can I say it has 8 electrons? So O2 minus will also have 10 electrons. Understood? Nitrogen has 7 electrons. N3 minus will have 10 electrons. So can I say N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, neon? They all are isoelectronic. Wait, sodium. How many electrons does sodium have? 11. Now sodium loses 1 electron to form a cation. So can I say sodium plus will have 10 electrons? Magnesium has 12 electrons. Mg2 plus will have how many electrons? 10. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say over here? Aluminium has 13 electrons. Aluminium 3 plus will have 10 electrons. So now look, now here the entire isoelectronic series, N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, neon, Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. Can you write this also please? N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, neon, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus. They all are isoelectronic to each other and they all have how many electrons? 10 electrons. Now can you think of one more isoelectronic series? Yes ma'am.
T3 minus S2 minus Cr minus Ar, K plus Ca2 plus,
And scandium 3 plus also if you want. Scandium 3 plus you can also select over there. Now listen to me. Isoelectronic species next to this right over there. Most important among what we have done in all this. PCB students, you expect a question from isoelectronic species. So right next to isoelectronic series over there, important. Now this becomes very easy because I have given the periodic table in front of you. So the next task is remembering the elements in the periodic table slowly and steadily. Group 13 elements, guys. Can we start writing the elements also? Group 13 elements and also remembering it. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, neonium. Just for information, where does this name neonium? It's a very new element over there. Neon is actually the other name for Japan. Hence neonium over there. It was synthesized in Japan over there. You might have also heard about Neon Airlines. Same way. Nikon suna hoga shayad. Group 13 elements, also called as boron family. Please copy these elements over there. Way to remember this is Bal Ganpati in temple. The mnemonic for this. Can I go to the next group? Group 14, carbon family. The way to remember this, chemistry sir gives standard problems. You will not have the last element in the trick over there. Mnemonic, you will not have the last element. Chemistry sir gives standard problems. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. The element is flerovium. Done. Group 14. Try remembering the elements also. Group 14 is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. Group 13 was what? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, neonium. चलिए बोलते जाए. Group 13 क्या है? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, neonium. You have to remember all the elements, everyone. Again, group 13. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, neonium. Again, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, neonium. Group 14. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. चलिए ग्रुप 15 देखिए. नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी, बिस्मथ, मॉस्कोवियम. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, moscovium. You have to remember these elements. Write the mnemonic for this if you want. नहीं pass सबके bill. Or you can straight away remember it, very simple over there. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Yes sir. नहीं pass सबके bill. Group 16 guys. लिखा आपने ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, टेलुरियम, पोलोनियम, लिवरमोरियम. निमोनिक फॉर दिस ओ स्टाइल से तेल पॉलिश. ओ स्टाइल से तेल पॉलिश. लिखा. ग्रुप 17 फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी 8 और फर्स्ट क्लास बर्गर 8. Kindle I said O style से तेल पॉलिश for group 16. Group 18 over there. Mnemonic for this Tina, Nina और करीना Xerox रंगीन. टीना, नीना और करीना Xerox रंगीन. Next, coinage metals. Next, coin age metals. Copper, silver, gold. Next, guys, check whether the following are isosters. देखिए, clear है क्या आपको? तीनों क्वेश्चन देखिए. Laughing gas and carbon dioxide. Can you also jot down these questions? Siddhant, group 14 was carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. Kinjal, jot it down. Can I say the first and second are isosters? Third isn't isosters? Look at this, guys. Isoelectronic species of 54 electrons, 86 electrons. कैसे बना है आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. Okay. Now isodiaphers. Please, can you add isodiaphers? Same difference. N minus P should be same. Neutrons minus protons. Can I say neutrons is A minus Z? Hence A minus Z, which is nothing but A minus 2Z. लिखा isodiaphers. Have you understood A minus 2Z? फर्स्ट केस में 51 आता है, दूसरे केस में A minus 2Z 1 आता है, और लास्ट केस में A minus 2Z 7 आता है. क्लियर है? देखिए हर एक नाम देखिए, आइसोटोप्स, आइसोबार, सब क्लियर है कि नहीं आपको? Have you understood how to find protons, electrons? ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, if an element has 20 protons, how many electrons in X3 plus, how many in X2 minus, how many in X4 minus? Do you understand this? Element के पास अगर 20 protons है, तो can I say 20 electrons? X3 plus means loss of 3 electrons. X2 minus means gain of 2 electrons, hence 22. And X4 minus means nothing but gain of 4 electrons over there. Clear है ये? Differences किए हमने. Isotones clear है आपको, isodiaphers भी clear है आपको, isosters भी clear है आपको. Guys, do we know these elements also? Group 1, group 2. देखिए. Do we know the group 1, group 2 elements? Group 11 over there, coinage metals used in currency over there. देख लीजिए, अगर आपको कोई एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पर मिस हो गया तो लिख दीजिए प्लीज. Guys, can you remember all this for the next lecture, please? Nothing to write, but to remember all this, all the elements for the next lecture, along with the definitions over there. Okay? If you have any doubts, you can wait back. Tomorrow, you know that you have a Sunday test. Portion clear है आपको? ठीक है? चलिए, bye bye.